Here we are in stateroom 9142, an interior cabin on the Celebrity Equinox. We have this beautiful piece of furniture. There's a safe on the top, and then on the bottom there's the refrigerator. And then we have drawers, nice TV above, little desk area with a desk. There's a drawer, there's water, there's a mirror, there's seating over here. We have 2 chairs with a little table, play cards at. We have a nice bed, storage above the bed. We have a telephone. I do not see any plugs for a CPAP machine, but we do have a telephone with a shelf. Over here, we have some plugs and a light switch. This side, again, there's a shelf, but no plugs. Light, extra towels. We have the nice closet here with plenty of hanging space. Space on the bottom for shoes and a suitcase. Full length mirror here. Then we have a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. You have shelves here. And then they have toilet paper in there, but storage. Plenty of toilet paper. And we have a toilet and a large shower for crew standards. We have a little shelf there, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And then there's storage down here. They give you wash, they have body lotion. You have a sink here, nice bowl sink, large mirror. And that is our room. Celebrity Equinox, stateroom 9142.
Thank you for watching my video on Doobie-Doo Travels. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.